everyone, Porcelain here on Manufactured, and welcome to another episode of Tossed and Found, the weekly show where I show you things I've bought at garage sales or thrift stores, and show you that if you're willing to put in a little bit of time and effort, you can find some really awesome items for a really cheap price. Today's going to be another crafting haul video, craft supplies and stuff like that. This entire box, I got a couple things from a couple different sales, but I've taken those prices into consideration, so everything in this box in total cost me $5, which is awesome because this box is huge and it won't even fit on screen. Yeah, so everything in this box in total cost me $5, and I'm quite happy about that, so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you the things I found at local garage sales for $5. Whoa. I'm just going to... There we go. Oh, you can still see the top of the box on the lower half of my desk. And I'm ruining my tablecloth. Alright, great. Everything's going great. Actually, one thing that is going great is, for the first time ever on camera, I think, my nails aren't chipped. So, I'm not usually the kind of person who cares about that kind of stuff, but, like, I'm proud of myself for filming a video before my nails became horrible. So the first thing is this little guy, who I didn't end up paying $1 for, but yeah. It's just a plastic container, like this. It was pretty hard to open though. Then we have a scarf type thing. It's like this long piece of this purple mesh fabric that I thought would be really awesome for making into doll clothes. Especially dresses and skirts and stuff like that. So what do I do next? Okay. Then we have some ribbon. Pink ribbon. A hat. This actually could probably fit an 18-inch doll. Oh, some more hats. I'm not sure what size doll these ones could fit, but they're interesting. A smaller hat. This one could probably fit a 12-inch. Some gold ribbon. I just did a huge ribbon haul. If you guys are interested in ribbon, I think my last crafting haul it was a huge ribbon haul. Some gold and silver ribbons. White. Let's move these slightly so we can just pile that up over there. Some more gold, but a different kind. Some blue. I like that color. Some just random mess of ribbon and stuff. I might untangle this and keep the green part. Yep. That's what you get when you buy like a random bag of stuff for $1. Pipe cleaners, I'll give these to my brownies, because I don't really use pipe cleaners for anything. Some more random messes of ribbon. Pink, hot pink. Some hot pink bigger ribbon, wider. Some more gold. Some green. And more pipe cleaners. And in the bottom of this bag are some teeny tiny little bells. They're super cute. I'll use those for sure. That's what was in this bag, in the box, but we have more box to go. There's a lot of stuff in here. Next we have this big thing of red yarn. I'm not sure exactly what I'll use it for. I might use it to make a couple doll wigs. I might use it to make other stuff for dolls, but it's just nice. It's a nice color. It's a very, very large bundle of yarn. Then we have these. These are like cupcake silicone molds from President's Choice. I don't have any molds this big, and I've kind of considered I might want to try my hand at making squishies. So if I do that, I would like to have a slightly bigger mold like this. So, yep. There's that thing. I was just like, throw it in the middle of the screen. This is the most messy video ever. Next we have a few different ribbons. There are these ones. They've got like a floral lace sort of thing going on. And they're all the same pattern, just different colors. These are green. So we've got pink, green, and blue. Then some more silicone molds. I already have plus sign molds, but I like picking up the extra ones to list on Etsy. Then the last molds I got, if I ever do make squishies, I feel like these would be the perfect molds for it. So the bottom one, these are from KitchenAid, and the bottom one is like just a simple gift, like this. And then the top ones, there are two more. There's a medium size, just normal crosshatch gift present. But then this one, the smallest one, is a present, but it also has a bow on top, and I feel like that one especially would make a really awesome squishy. So, yeah, let me know if you guys want to see me make squishies, because your opinions matter to me, and if you guys really want to see it, it will motivate me to do it sooner than later. Whoa. As I bump the camera and mess everything up. So I got off track. Alright, everything go back in your box the way you were. Alright, so the last thing in this box is another box, and it is this blue and gold trimmed box that's actually really nice. It says letters on top. And inside, inside is what it includes. It's a kit. It's a letter kit, and I don't think it's ever been used. Well, it says there should be a booklet here, so maybe that's been used, but there are these cute little stamps that say "To from Best Wishes XOXO," some ink that has never been opened for those stamps. I'm not sure if I will keep this letter set or sell or gift it to someone else, but it's still very interesting. This see-through little envelope that's covering up some cards that say "Thinking of You." Again, still in their plastic wrap. And then there's a little bottom drawer. Whoa. With all these little punch-outs in it. And I just thought it was really cute. And it's a cute little box for letter writing supplies as well. So, I thought that was pretty cute. I might keep it, I might sell it, I'm not sure. I might give it to someone else. Not sure, but I thought it was pretty cute. So I'm going to set all this stuff up and be right back. I tried to make it look as organized as possible, but it didn't really work all that well with these things. Yeah, I can't wait to put them away where they should be going. But yeah, this is everything from today's haul, today's $5 haul. Let me know if you thought I got a good deal on it all or not. Oh wait, this isn't everything. There's also the yarn that I didn't fit in screen. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think of today's haul in the comments down below. I have to freehand this camera, so it's a little wobbly, just to fit everything in screen, and I still couldn't fit this yarn in. Yeah, I think I'm most excited kind of about the, like, silicone present cake mold more than anything else. Let me know what your favorite was, though, in the comments down below. I do read every single comment, and I try and respond to them all as well. I love talking to you guys. And if you're new here, I do make videos like this every single week, so maybe check out another one if you enjoy that as well. Maybe consider subscribing. That would be awesome of you. Either way, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and keep playing by your own rules, guys. Bye!